So when we're laying down, we have a little less gravity pressing down when we're doing these movements. So to make it a little more challenging, we will turn our body up and we will actually hang while doing these knee raises. So like you've seen in the active hang video, you want to have a bar that you could reach when you tippy toe. So you might step onto the box, or you might just put a couple plates for us, or a smaller stepping stool or box to reach up to the bar. Making sure you have a good firm grip and active shoulders. We are taking our feet off the ground and simply bending the knees and lifting the knees up towards our chest. So bringing it up as high as you can and coming back down. So for starters, you could keep your feet off on the ground each time you come back down. But as you progress and make it more challenging, and as you get stronger, you will keep your feet off the ground to require a little bit more engagement in your abs. So a slow and steady approach is the safest way for beginners. So make sure you have a really strong hanging position before you even attempt this movement. That is the hanging knee raise.